Omushomo gugwetabirwemu abakakiiko k'ebyobururu ebitongole bitari bya gavumenti abanyadini ab'obukama bwa Tooro ab'ebyokwerinda n'abanyamakuru
genda amagombora ndeta abantu ntubegesa obugabe bwabo n'obuvunaanyizibwa obubaine kukora kurora bayegondeza mu bugabe bwabo n'abantu bano nabo abatubaliza nabo ntubatusabire bagende nabo begesa itwena buli kyona ekyokuba otungire twena kukwatira hamwe nogenda noyegesa omuntu on civic education ya buli omu.
Then to the candidates abantu baitu abesimbire nenyo ntubasaba musigale ha guidelines mutaruga guidelines zitwabahire mwegendezerezo kucwa amateka kutera campaigns zekiro kubaza ebigambo ebitahikire kubaza inciting violence kuteka kubaza ebigambo bikuletereza abantu akimukiro kubyegendesereze kugulira abakomi.
Omu rukiiko oru ab'ebitongole bitari bya gavumenti hamwe n'abanyadini nabo bashabira ab'ebyokwerinda okuba buburinganiza.
Itenke ebitongole bitari bya gavumenti twakwegombere omukasumi kano n'okweyongera ku ekyobururu buhoire habeho obusinge twakwetagira ab'ebyokwerinda ihe rihanga polisi abenkomo n'ebitongole bindi kukora omulimo gw'okulinda obusinge kulinda abantu n'ebintu byabo baitu obumu n'obumu abamu halibo usanga nabo betabire mu mulingo gogonza kuburanganiza abantu omulingo nko
youth iwo nko mukristayo iwo nko mwana wa ruhanganya kulya hego obumezi kikuru muno politics nizija nzirabaho kandi season yazo nija kwaho actually after Feb eyo kwezi nkamukaga onja kwatumaliriye kukuruka mukaruru but we have to live a life tuine komera nabo cyo tugonza kubasaba especially nka interreligious council nk'abana baruhanga leka tulinde teka tulinde obusinge control mutwara mukasume kanu twerinzire
ekitukusaba abantu okira muno abantu abesimbire kikalo kike wesimbire ko tukusaba obe umuntu muteraniza obe umuntu wobusinge and two mugamena ba agents banyu ntinge kinte kikuru muno boko kwesanga inyo timukurwana bete ba agents banyu bakurwana mubagambe kintu kikuru muno kiri kumalira karuru ombusinge
okutera karuru ko bwa president hamwe n'abamemba ba parliamenti nokwebiriye 15 kwezi ko kubanza umwaka ogurukwisha omuganda barukwebembere bigombe by'obutegetsi cyo mu cyange cya Bunyoro nabajunana akakiiko k'ebyobururu kuguma batari kufayo na munonga babana baremese bwo kuronda karuru k'abantu ababakwatire bendera.
Security agencies ni kira kukolera CIDM rundi nizigwa urubege rundi nizikora kiye kubira haliyo kira kusangira obwiro obumu opposition we na bwaba ine nkarale oba meeting security ekira okulemesa neteka hembera kurora abantu baye harahare zabo opposition
okuhereza abantu exhibiting the ethical principles of journalism kandi baine obwesimbu bw'amani without being intimidated. So as the opposition we have seen incidences where we have been blocked from campaigning. For example, here in Kagadi, the security disorganized us.
SP Robert Sesaru omuhwezo w'orukukorera polisi omu kyanga kya Albertine y'amashuma nagira nka polisi nabo bariyo nibakorekera okubasika okureba ngo bataho buri okurinda obugabe bw'abantu mu bururu.
We are also not seated in promoting and protecting human rights in elections, but the Uganda Police Force, which is a lead agency. I have read so much on the Uganda Police Force because it is a lead agency and we are answering for any mistakes that are done by individuals in an operation in regard to the elections and any other operations in nature.
And in this pre-election period, we would like to ensure that the following rights are realized. Freedom of speech. If you don't allow candidates to speak, then people will not determine meaningfully who should be their leader on the 15th of January. Therefore, freedom of speech is very, very important right now.
So, you know, as the Uganda Human Rights Commission, we are established by the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda to protect and promote human rights. And we do that in quite a number of ways. We do that through complaints management. We receive, investigate, and resolve.
Omutwe gw'ekiganiro eki gubire guri okutebeekanisa obururu bw'obusinge kandi obwabona omwaka gw'2026 omu kyanga kya Bunyoro.
twogedde nnyo ku voter education ba stakeholders babaddemu ab'ebibiina ab'ebitongole ebirala ebya gavumenti ebikwatagana n'ebyokulonda kituyamba nti bajja kubulira abantu okulonda kutandika ddi kutambula kutya bakubiza abantu okubeerawo bakubiza abantu okukwasiza empisa kwegamba batuyambako okunnyonnyola abantu n'olwekyo obuvuyo bwali baddewo mu kulonda ne bukendeera.
Gasha kwa Thomas Tumwebaze na Daniel Bingana.